Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Bitly for URL shortening, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Bitly for URL shortening, start by visiting the Bitly website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button in the top right corner. Choose to sign up using your email, Google account, or social media account. Once registered, log into your newly created account. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to your Bitly dashboard. To create your first short link, look for the Create button, which is usually located at the top of the page. Click the Create button to open the link creation tool. In the provided field, paste the long URL you want to shorten. Bitly will automatically generate a short link for you. You can customize this link by clicking on the Customize option. Type your desired text into the customization box, keeping in mind it should be unique. After customizing, click on the Save button to finalize your short link. Your new short link will now appear on your dashboard, along with its analytics. To manage your links, navigate back to the dashboard where all your shortened links are listed. You can view the performance metrics by clicking on any of the links. This will provide insights on clicks, refers, and geographic locations of your audience. If you want to organize your links, consider creating a new link group. Click on the Link Groups option in the sidebar. From there, click Create a Group and give it a suitable name. Now, you can easily categorize links for better management. To access more features, explore the settings by clicking on your profile icon. Here, you can update your profile information, adjust your account settings, and manage integrations. Consider connecting other platforms to enhance your URL shortening experience. For advanced users, Bitly also offers an API for automated link creation. You can find API documentation in the Bitly developer section of the website. Always remember to revisit your dashboard periodically to analyze link performance. With consistent monitoring, you can make data-driven decisions for your campaigns. This concludes the comprehensive guide on configuring Bitly for URL shortening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.